Hey guys, good day. Welcome to Dinah's Kitchen. God bless you. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, today I'm gonna make a very simple recipe, guys, using potato and canned chili, okay, and bean, and I'm gonna share it with you. All right, guys, let's start, guys. Okay guys, so this meal guys, about 5 or 10 minutes guys, and you're done guys. Make a nice and delicious dinner for your children or yourself or your spouse. But guys, today I'm going to use the Hormel chili with beans guys. I'm going to use some potato, I'm going to use some cheese, onion, tomato, and some scallion guys, and some oil for fry up everything. I'll get in right now. I want to do a giveaway, but I'm not sure yet. My husband said I must be, but I'm not sure yet, guys. But I want to do it for December, guys. If you want me to do a giveaway, guys, let me know. Alright? If me get a good amount of yes, me do it. Okay? Guys, you know Christmas will come. And woman love them pot, you know. Woman love them pot, you know, guys. Yeah, me love my pot, me love my pot, you know, guys. Me love pot. And me love when I got my pot them nice and pretty. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, guys. And when you subscribe, you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. So anybody subscribe and thumbs up, me know say you're in at the giveaway because you gave me a thumbs up. Alright, guys, me gonna give us some nice pot. If me get a good amount of yes. And some nice hand towel, some nice thick kitchen hand towel. I mean, I have the good up hand towel them that a nice pot. Alright, so if me get a good yes, a good amount of people, guys, if we say yes, me gonna do the Christmas giveaway because woman love them pot, you know. So if you're interested, guys, just put in the comment for this video, say yes, giveaway. Give me a thumbs up so I will know to prepare myself for the giveaway. Alright? Alright, guys, we're gonna do a little fry up now. So guys, now I'm going to strain off my potato. I'm saying I want it too soft. So if I already done. That's beef, it's a big old chunk of beef. That's some big old chunk of beef, guys. Now let's put some black pepper. Guys, black pepper all over it. I already put a piece of hot pepper, guys. But you're trying to the hot pepper, you can just put the black pepper just to give some flavor. So now, guys, I'm gonna throw my potato on top of it. So guys, I'm gonna make that saute for about 2 or 3 minutes. So, we're meal done, guys. Done. And so that goes fast and quick. There you go. Have a nice cup of juice, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Then we'll leave some of my tomato for put on top. We'll fry up some of the tomato. I'm gonna leave some for put on top, guys. Okay. Then the cheese. I'm now gonna melt this one, guys. Look at that, guys. Look how good that look. And guys, you know, say it tastes right, it tastes good, it tastes delicious. Guys, time for test tasting. Alright guys, test tasting time. Alright guys. Yes.
They make me smile. Taste of happiness.
Guys, it just tastes right. Delicious, guys. Look at that cheese, guys. And all these vegetables.
From Reese's cups to tacos and fries, everybody feels like paradise.
Guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, guys. As I said, I want to do a giveaway in December, guys. If you want me to do the giveaway, please give me a thumbs up and say yes, guys. Every woman love a good pot. All right, every woman love a good hand towel in her kitchen. All right guys, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.